Welcome to this video on basic electrical engineering, focusing on single-phase AC series circuits involving resistors, inductors, and capacitors. In alternating current, a core challenge is the phase shift. Voltage and current rarely peak at the same time, as components can delay or accelerate electron flow, creating a horizontal gap known as the phase angle. Impedance represents the total opposition to current flow. It combines resistance, which generates heat, and reactance, which opposes changes in current or voltage. In an RL series circuit, the inductor creates a magnetic field that fights changes in current. This forces the current to lag behind the voltage, a common characteristic in most industrial loads. Conversely, an RC series circuit uses a capacitor, which stores charge in an electric field. This forces the current to lead the voltage, and engineers often use this effect to counteract inductive lag. This matrix compares the two. RL circuits use inductors and cause the current to lag, while RC circuits use capacitors and cause the current to lead. In real-world RLC circuits, both inductive and capacitive reactances exist. They can cancel each other out, and the dominant component determines whether the overall circuit leads or lags. AC power consists of three types: true power, which performs actual work; reactive power, which sustains magnetic fields; and apparent power, the total drawn from the grid. These concepts form the power triangle. The phase angle dictates the ratio between useful work and wasted capacity, directly impacting energy efficiency and costs. Power factor is defined as the ratio of true power to apparent power. A factor of 1 represents perfect efficiency, while lower factors indicate high phase shifts and wasted energy. The real-world impact is significant. Low power factors require more current, which overheats wires and can lead to financial penalties from utility companies. The Q factor of a coil measures its energy storage efficiency. It is the ratio of inductive reactance to internal resistance, with higher values meaning less energy is wasted as heat. Engineers use the decibel scale to handle massive power ratios. This logarithmic method simplifies calculations across vast ranges of electrical intensity. In conclusion, mastering phase space and power relationships is essential for engineers to ensure energy efficiency, minimize waste, and maintain grid stability.